Hi everyone and welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's video, I will be talking about a new feature called Magic Edit, which allows you to replace objects in an image with something else. This feature is part of Canva Visual Suite and makes editing images simple for anyone who does not have complex editing software or knowledge. By using Magic Edit, you can easily swap out unwanted parts of an image and replace them with other objects or elements. In fact, this feature utilizes AI-generated content to provide you with a variety of options to choose from and create stunning visuals with ease. The Magic Edit feature on Canva is currently in beta, but it is available to all users without a subscription to Canva Pro or Canva for Teams plans. Therefore, you can access and use Magic Edit on the platform for free. However, you will need to sign up for Canva if you don't already have an account on the platform. Therefore, I believe it's time to take a closer look at this new feature and show you the AI magic. I have already uploaded an image of a young woman holding a white flower, and my idea is to replace the flower with a red rose. With Magic Edit, it is quite simple to do. All you need to do is click on the image to view the Edit Photo feature in the upper bar. Then click on the feature and find the Magic Edit tool in the list of the All tools. And now the fun begins. To replace any object, you need to brush the area of the object you want to replace. Just adjust the brush size and highlight the area of the object you want to edit. Once you are satisfied, click on the Continue button in the left sidebar and then write a text prompt that will describe the object or element you want to add to the image instead of the object you are replacing. In this case, I'm just writing a simple text prompt, a red rose. Now, I hit the Generate button. The tool then takes a few seconds to provide me with 4 variants of my desired prompt. As you can see, I can select from 4 aesthetically pleasing red roses, and when I click on each of these images, I can see them replacing the white flower in my original photo. If you are not okay with the 4 generated images, you can easily generate new variations by clicking the Generate New Results button beneath the images. But in my case, I like this result, and when I click on the Done button, I can use, share or download the new photo. That's all you need to know about using Magic Edit to replace objects inside images on Canva. As you can see, this feature is incredibly easy to use and can create a new image in no time. So, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any question, feel free to use the comment section and I will try to reply.